This is a 2D drawing generated by SolidWorks. You don't need the $4,000 software just to check a dimension on the print. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Use the free eDrawings viewer instead. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. A SolidWorks Drawing Viewer file, SLDDRW, is a CAD file created by SolidWorks, a 3D mechanical CAD program. It contains 2D drawings generated from 3D models, often used for detailing manufacturing specifications, assembly instructions, and other engineering documentation. The viewer allows users to open, view, and print these drawings without needing a full SolidWorks license. SLDDRW files store vector-based drawing elements and annotations. They may reference associated 3D model files, SLDPRT or SLDASM, to maintain associativity. The file format includes information about layers, line styles, dimensions, and other drawing properties. The viewer application interprets this data to accurately display the drawing. Dassault Systems define Dassault Systèmes SolidWorks as the application primarily intended for SLDDRW. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows exposes only minimal attributes, so full access relies on compatible 3D or engineering software. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the SLDDRW file and select Open With. If Dassault Systems SolidWorks is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that associates the file. When your SLDDRW file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the SLDDRW file is still stubborn, look for one of these three basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, use SolidWorks. Open the file using SolidWorks, ensuring the version of SolidWorks is equal to or newer than the version that created the drawing. Next, check part assembly reference. Ensure the part assembly file referenced by the drawing is present in the same directory or accessible via the reference path. Finally, use eDrawings viewer. If you only need to view the file, install the free eDrawings viewer from SolidWorks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.